Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you how to add textures to your designs in Photoshop. So before we jump into that, if you are new here, make sure you like and make sure you subscribe and make sure you also share with your friend as well. And don't forget to turn on the notification icon so that when I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified about it. So without much further ado, let's open up our Photoshop. So basically, I'll show us three ways or three methods in which you can add texture or grain or noise effect into our elements in Photoshop. So what you want to do is create a new file. Let's go with the size 260 by 260. Then we click on create. So we have our empty canvas here. So the first thing we want to do is bring in our image I want to use today. So let's just drag it into Photoshop and let's resize it to the actual size of the canvas that we have here. So let's accept that. Then the first thing you want to do, the first method is actually go to your filter. You see noise, then you go to add noise. Then you can click and drag this bar here to actually get the amount of noise that you want. So you can see that a little bit from this percentage onward is giving us kind of loud noisy effect, right? So depending on what you want, so let me just keep it something subtle like this, right? So I click on OK. Then let's duplicate this one to actually make use of it to show us the second method. So let's get rid of this matte filter that we have here. So now the second method is still similar. You go to the filter, then you go to camera raw filter. So once you get to your camera raw filter, locate this effect that we have here and we can see this grain effect. So let me just quickly zoom in a little bit so I can see the effect in real time. As you can see that effect here, so let me just pump it up to 100 and then click OK. So now that is the second method. So the third method actually involves you going on the internet and downloading a PNG format of the actual texture that you want to use. So let's quickly get rid of this filter here, and then and I've done that. So all you have to do now is to click and just drag it in Photoshop and place it on the image or the element I'm trying to use the texture on in Photoshop. So I'll just resize it just like that. So, and if you feel that the texture is too much, we can play with the opacity here and actually reduce it, as you can see it now. These are the three methods in which you can add texture, grain or noise effect into your elements in Photoshop. If you do have any other method, please let me know in the comment section. And that's all on this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.